Sierra is departing runway 23, Middletown. Okay, we're going to line her up on the runway and then slowly give her some power. Give it some right rudder. There we go. We have power, we have speed. Rotate.
580, 5 miles west, inbound 23.
Climb it up at about 79. There we go. Climbing up 79. Positive climb. Gear up. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning crosswind for 23. Now we're going to pull back to 25 inches. 5 inches, and we're going to pull the prop back
997 is 5
to 2,500 RPM.
23 Middletown.
And this is our cruise climb. Power.
Middletown traffic, time base here, CC 35 Bravo, departing 23 Middletown.
Okay, let's go downwind, and we just hit our pattern altitude. So let's pull it back to 20 inches. And kind of settle the nose down here. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is downwind for 23 Middletown. So when we get perpendicular with the end of the runway, then we're going to start setting the plane up to land. Right now we're just kind of cruising along.
23 Tango Sierra inside, no factor.
Madison County traffic light support 26 Kilo Juliet, 6 miles northwest east to enter 45 to left downwind runway 27 Madison County.
Okay, so there we are. We're under 100 knots, and there's the end of the runway. So let's drop my gear and put in one thing of flaps. Okay? And when we get to 45, boy, that brought us up a little. And when we get to 45 degrees, okay, then we'll pull a little more power. We're going to take it to 15 inches, and we're going to push the prop all the way in. There we go. Props in, 15 inches, 45 degrees, 80 knots. Should be fun. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning base for 23, Middletown.
Middletown traffic, Sabria 997 is entering overhead upwind 23 Middletown.
Okay. And there it is. Let's turn final. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning final for 23, Middletown. Okay, so we've got 700 are white. Good, because this river kind of does funny things to it. We can line it up straight here, straight, there we go. We're coming down at 500 feet per minute. And we have 500 feet. Go. 400 feet to go. Still saying white, so we might land a little long, which is good because it's a long taxi. I think we got a little too much in here. Turn it back. There we go.
Middletown traffic, 580, base 23, number 2.
In here, nice and easy, straight on. Pull up the nose right now. Pull the nose. Pull the nose. Here we go. Nice, Bruce.
Middletown traffic, Cyber 997, right cross.
Now let's just let it run. Don't worry about brakes because you got to get all the way up here. Slow it down. We use a little aerodynamic braking. Now we'll find the brakes so we can exit so these behind us can get off. Okay, here we go. We're getting off.
Middletown traffic, Cyber 997, right downwind 23, Middletown.
Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is off of 23, Middletown.
And Middletown traffic, 580, final 23, touch and go.
Okay, we left our cow flaps open the whole time, and that was intentional. Push our carb heat back in. Our gear is down. Let's taxi in. Now, thanks for flying along with me. Dusty today, maybe. But if you like watching real people fly an airplane, please push the like button and subscribe so you can see when one of these comes up. We've got a number of different airplanes we're going to fly and various approaches. Look forward to seeing you.